What's the meaning of afoot? Afoot. 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 Afoot is an adverb that describes something that is currently in progress or underway. It suggests that something is being planned or worked on behind the scenes, but has not yet been completed or announced publicly. The word can also be used to indicate a sense of urgency or excitement about what is happening. For example, if someone says, "Something's afoot," it means that there is an important event or development taking place, and people should pay attention to it. Overall, afoot adds a sense of mystery and anticipation to a situation.